Hello to all of you! Have you ever unintentionally gotten your favorite outfit stained with hair dye? If yes, then I will show you 2 efficient ways to get hair color out of your clothes today. Let's get going! Method 1. Using dishwashing soap and vinegar. Step 1. Need few suppliers. You'll need a few suppliers to use this method, most of which you probably already have at home. Grab some dish soap, white vinegar, a bowl, and a fresh towel or sponge. Step 2. Blotting the stains. Start by blotting the excess dye with a clean cloth or paper towel if the hair dryer stain is still wet. Keep in mind to gently blot to prevent spreading the stain. Step 3. Prepare the mixture. Combine 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and 1 tablespoon of dishwashing soap in a bowl. Gently whisk the 2 ingredients together in the bowl. Step 4. Carefully dab it. Carefully dab it over the hair color stain and dip a cloth or sponge into the mixture. You may now apply the mixture. Step 5. Blotting and rinsing. Use a clean cloth to blot the soiled area after applying the mixture. After that, rinse the clothing in cold water to get rid of any soap and vinegar left. Method 2. Using hydrogen peroxide. Step 1. Determine the fabric. Determine whether the fabric is color safe before using this approach. To make sure hydrogen peroxide won't bleach or change the color of the cloth, test a small area first. Step 2. Apply hydrogen peroxide. Pour a tiny amount of hydrogen peroxide onto a clean cloth or sponge. Gently dab it on the stain caused by the hair dye, working your way toward the center as you go. Step 3. Bottling and rinsing. Use a clean cloth to blot the stained area once the hydrogen peroxide has been applied. To eliminate any residue, wash the item again in cold water. You have it now!